I'm going to show you today some tests I've done with metadata and AI extraction of metadata from images. So this was a question I got from some colleagues a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't had real time to take a look at it before, but now I have some examples that I feel is worth showing. So this is, as you've probably seen before, a demo DAM that I built to be able to test different use cases to see how we can solve customer specific problems, basically. So what I've done is I've uploaded 2 assets, let's see, and tagged them with metadata. And the specific question I got from my colleagues was, is it possible to read text within images? We do have a lot of customers that store images that contain text, and it usually is something like the brand name or similar. So I selected 2 different types of images. One is an ad and the other one is a magazine cover. And the reason for that is to get some text together with image as well. So, and then I implemented an extraction of metadata from the image. So why is this important? It's important because an image per se doesn't have any searchable metadata, which means that if you store an image in a DAM system, you won't find it if you don't add metadata. And this is a key point for DAM systems. You only get the quality and the return on investment if you put time into adding relevant metadata to the images that you store. That's the simple truth. Metadata extraction through AI isn't something new. It's been done for 10 years or so, but it's obviously getting much better. And I'll show you now. It's come to a point where it's basically, I would say, much better of adding metadata than most users. So what I'll do is I'll start with the L'Oreal ad. What you see here is 4 types of lipstick. You see the text. This is an ad for men. You'll probably see based on the result. Let's see what the result is. Why this is a very good name as well, or title. What I'll do is I'll extract the data. So I'm sending the image to the AI backend, and what it does now, it goes through the image and sees what it can extract. So what you see here now, you get the 4 lipstick and you get the actual text as well. This is an ad for men. So to answer my colleagues' questions, yes, we at this point do get out text, and it's very good text as well. What we see here is it finds out that the some more context to the ad. It says 15% increase in profitability when there's female leaders. So this is the ad is brilliant because this is shown in a lot of studies that diverse teams perform better. So that's important thing to highlight. You see that you get the L'Oreal Paris logo type, and you see how it actually can extract the exact correct spelling of L'Oreal as well, which is amazing. So this works out fine, and obviously, I mean, sending this image multiple times, which I've done, you will get slightly different result, but basically this is what you'll get back. I'll save this one, and then I'll search for metadata again, and I'll get the other one. So this is the and you see the description is empty here. So this is a magazine cover of Person of the Year Time. This is from, I think, 2017, and what we see here is 5 women, the silence breakers. So it's not obvious to somebody who doesn't know about this story what this is. And this is the key problem that I'm trying to highlight here, is that we can now extract information from images with a broader context than before, and and broader in a sense where the person, and in this case AI, if it would have been a person who doesn't know about these 5 women and what this is about, that person wouldn't be able to add context to this document, which would mean that searching it later on, you wouldn't have the available data to find it and reuse it the way that brings value to companies and the content that you store in your DAM. This is related to Me Too, and what I'll do is I'll run an analyze again, sending the image to the AI backend, and what we get now is, let's see here, we're not getting that much content, so it says the person of the year, so again it's reading the text, it's 2017, women dressed in black, the silence breakers, but you see here it actually says referring to individuals who spoke out against sexual harassment and assault, sparking a movement for change. So this is good because it doesn't say that in the on the image. But what I'll do is I'll try to run it once more. No, I couldn't do that. So let's see here. Obviously, this is a test site, so the usability is what it is. Let's see here. We'll do is run it again, and then I analyze it once more. And as I said before, it's each and every time you send, you get a bit different results. So what we see now is that I'm actually getting the Me Too tag here as well. So now that I've sent it a second time, I feel confident that this is okay. So I would suggest that every DAM system going forward should have a AI index to every image imported, because you get a lot of value from a low cost. I mean, to create content, usually I think the usual cost is calculated about $200 to $300 to remake content for marketing campaigns and stuff like that. Running it through AI is a price of $0.01. So you can run a lot of images through the AI at the cost as having to reproduce one asset. So that makes sense from a return on investment perspective. I mean, people searching for Me Too, you might not be using that in a marketing campaign this way, at least not the cover here. But if you could search and get a result on Me Too, you wouldn't have to reproduce any content, so the cost would be excellent, and return on investment, you would get that back very fast. So now you see I searched for Me Too, and I got a hit on the Time of the or the Person of the Year Time magazine. So I think you get the idea. All DAM systems going forward should for sure have some type of AI adding metadata, and then obviously having humans as well to further heighten the searchability is good. It could be, but it could also be like adding automatic tagging for where and when assets have been used for campaigns. So you can search for something, let's say campaign 2017, and you would get the data based on what type of workflow the content has been in. But again, you get the point. Thank you for watching, and take care.